home service business that doesn't use a CRM usually loses leads because inquiries come from calls, web forms, and texts, and they get buried without a system that tracks every customer interaction in one place. By the end of this, you'll know which CRM options actually work for home service companies, what features matter most, and how to pick one based on whether your biggest issue is leads, scheduling, or customer follow-up. A CRM in a home service business is not just a contact list. It's the system that tracks every lead, job, and customer conversation from first inquiry to completed work. The most important feature is lead capture. That means every call, form submission, or message should automatically become a tracked customer record instead of being manually written down. This matters because missed leads directly mean lost revenue, especially for businesses that rely on local service calls like HVAC, plumbing, or cleaning. The second key feature is follow-up automation. Many home service companies lose jobs not because they are unqualified, but because they don't follow up fast enough after the first inquiry. A good CRM lets you send automatic reminders, quotes, or messages so leads don't go cold. The third feature is scheduling integration. In home service work, the CRM should connect directly to your calendar, so once a customer books, it turns into a scheduled job without re-entering data. This reduces double booking and communication errors between office staff and technicians. Another important feature is job history tracking. Every customer should have a record of past services, invoices, and notes, so technicians can see context before arriving on site. This improves service quality and reduces repeat questions during appointments. Some CRMs also include quoting tools, which help turn estimates into approved jobs without switching platforms. This matters because faster quote approval usually means faster job booking. When comparing CRM tools, the main difference is between basic contact management systems and full field service platforms that combine CRM, scheduling, and job management. Basic CRMs are good for tracking leads, but they often lack scheduling and dispatch features. Full platforms are better for businesses that handle daily service calls. The right choice depends on how your business operates. If you only need to track leads and follow-ups, a simple CRM may be enough. If you need scheduling, dispatch, and job tracking in one place, a field service CRM is more efficient. A practical next step is to look at where leads are currently getting lost. If they are not being followed up within the first day, your biggest improvement will come from automation and lead tracking. If this helped you understand what to look for, like the video and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of home service business software.